exercise. Yes, good morning to all. We are in our last exercise of exercise 1.4. Word problems we are going through every day. In that also we have completed yesterday the 8th one, Tom 1. What he borrowed the money, how much he gave back, that we have seen already. Today we are in our 9th problem. This is the last question of this exercise 1.4. After this, what is there? Nothing. Review exercise only. Just revision and recap. So today, the last exercise, being the last exercise and last sum, after completing this question, I'm thinking to give some recap and revision only. I will give the problems. So you have a notebook and a pen near you. Simple problems I will give. You do and type the answer. Or you do and show me. How you like that we can have. First, let us finish this question. 4 exercises we have completed for this integers chapter. Exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. Let us complete this. Then a small recap I will give. Page number 15, question number 9. Kona has 400 shares of stock A and 500 shares of stock B. Shares of stock A and 500 shares of stock B. She gains 3 rupees per share from stock A and loses rupees 2 per share from stock B. How much does she gain or lose from these 2 stocks taken altogether? So there are 2 things, stock A and stock B. In that gain per share, this is about shares. Okay, 2 shares A and B are there. In that, profit is there for her from the first share. The activity, if you have sent, I would have received. I will do the correction, will enter the marks. That's all. Each and particular thing, I don't know. You have to upload that. Take a photograph of that. And 1 page means 1 page, 2 page means 2 pages. Tomorrow, last date for the activity. Understood what I'm telling? Up to tomorrow only, I will be taking the activities into count and will do the correction, will enter the marks. After the due date, I won't do. Due date means due date. Before that, do that. I'll do the correction and will give you the marks. Later on, we'll tell you one day. Shares of stock A are 400. She had 400 stock A shares and stock B, she had 500. 500 shares were there. Stock A 400, stock B 500 shares were there. She gains a profit of, gain means a profit. Okay, gain, when I say, it is profit. 3 rupees per share. Rupees 3 per share. So 400 shares for how much? 1 given more asking means 400 threes are and we will get the amount. Whichever date I am sending Darshini, tomorrow last date. That's all. For you, due date only important. Understood. Wednesday due means before Wednesday should send. So 1 share 3 rupees, 400 shares, 400 threes are how much? That much. Now, stock B. Stock B having a loss of 2 rupees. So whenever we say loss in integers, we have to take as -2. Understood? -2. Loss of 2 rupees. Gain of, that's what I wrote here particular. -2, 500, 1 given more asking, multiplication. Again, we have to multiply this number and must get. Like that we need to do. Let us see. Power went off, Mahia. It will be fine. With 1 minute, it will be switching on, no? So that time it will be like that. Now it will be fine. Shares of stock A. First period itself, like this, power goes means what to do. Gain. Gain per stock. Now shares of stock A. How many were there? 400 were there. Now gain per stock is +3. For one thing, it was +3. That is rupees. That too. ₹3. So the total gain. Total gain means for our stock. For 400 stock, what is the thing? One share, 3 rupees. 400 shares. 4 3s are 1200. 1200 rupees is the profit of share A. Now, shares of stock B is equal to 500 shares are there for stock B. In that, there is a loss per share. It was the gain per stock. Here, loss per stock. Loss per stock. The loss is 2 rupees. Loss means -2 to take. That is very important. So the total loss is equal to 500 multiplied by -2. We have to take the count as -2 and we must do the multiplication. 500 2s are 1000, plus into minus, minus. Now we have to see the net profit or net loss. Gain is there, loss is there. So net profit or net gain we can write. Gain they have used here. So we should use the word net gain is equal to this 1200 what I underlined profit. This is the loss. Then only we will come to know, no? So 200 rupees. So is equal to, here I will write rupees 200. This is the net loss or net gain. However it is. Here profit more. So gain is more for this question. Okay. Again I am repeating. Shares of stock A given as 400 rupees. They say it is the gain per stock, which means profit is there for one stock 3 rupees. So 400 stock, how much? We should multiply and keep the number. Then shares of stock B. 500 stocks are there. Loss per stock. For one thing, minus 2 rupees. 2 rupees gone. Since it is a loss, we have to take minus. It is like 2 rupees going from our hand. So 1000 rupees gone. Now what is the profit? 200 rupees profit. 1000 rupees gone down. So what is the total? When we do the subtraction, net gain, 200 rupees is the profit for the Kona. See the name, how it is. So that is it. Understood? The last question of our exercise, word problems, completed. You have the soft copy in your classrooms, maths textbooks. Today, go through the entire chapter. Now, let us do the review exercise some here and there. For test and all, I will be taking from this. A small recap. Review exercise is totally as a revision thing only. I used to select for giving in the assignments, worksheets, question paper and all, these review sums will be useful. Find the additive inverse. Now we have seen the chapter. What we saw, first exercise of integers, we saw the properties. Commutative property, 2 numbers 1. Then power came off. Associative property, 3 numbers 1 we have seen. Then what we saw, additive identity, additive inverse. Inverse means how we should change the sign and must write, that and all we have seen. Then multiplication. Normal integers multiplication. Plus into minus, minus. Both same sign means positive. Then regarding the properties of multiplication, again we have seen the same thing. Multiplicative identity was 1. And remaining properties we have seen. Main thing, distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication over addition, multiplication over subtraction. That we have seen in our third exercise. Find the product, verify this and all. You should compulsory practice. Simply by going through, it will not work out. You have to do. My material is for referring. For you to know that what we have taken in the class. You have to write in your notebook. Compulsory, if you want marks, each and every sum, go through that, how to do, then do by yourself. You have the material with you, but do that and refer the classwork, what I have given. Again, do in your own. When you keep on doing like this, automatically you will have to know how to do the problem to proceed. You won't have any trouble. Exercise 1.4 was about the word problems, what we have seen. Now, find the additive inverse. Let us see some small fill in the blanks and small 1 marks and 2 marks questions from this chapter. We won't cover everything because these questions we need for our worksheet assignment, test times and all, many are there. These and all extra problems, what is there? So after completing the chapter, once review, one revision will give, then move on. We'll move on to the next chapter. In my next class, tomorrow, I write the answer now. You write in your notebook. These questions you won't be having anywhere. I won't be sending this in the material because this is a revision. This is for you to do. I change number also and will ask you. Some 4 sums are enough. 4 are enough. Any number, yes. Additive inverse. Yes. Now I have connected again because power came off now only. No. Now it will be clear. Power went off means what to do, ma? Network will be slow only. Now again it will be fast. Yes. Many are giving the correct answer. Pritika, again, don't type the same 4. I could see that. Okay. So -4, additive inverse plus 4. -18, when I ask only type, then it is easy. -18, additive inverse of -18 plus 18. Even you write 18, that is okay. 620 plus 620. The additive inverse is, yes, correct. Exactly when I ask that time, when you type it is easy. Instead of typing again 18,000 times, yes, correct. Good. plus 620, additive inverse minus 620, minus 244, additive inverse plus 244. No need to write plus, it is understood. Even if you are writing means also okay. To make it to understand, I wrote this. Additive inverse means like this. Okay, multiplicative inverse means what I told, the reciprocal. That is multiplicative inverse. So these are the 4 questions. Now, find the product. You do a question like this. You do and type me the answer, children. Okay, find the product. Many are there. I will give any one. If I give directly, if I tell and give, you will see that. So I am changing and giving. No need to go through the textbook because I am changing here. If I give the same, A means A, you will know. So I'm just changing. Finding the product. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 minus 3 minus 3. Find the product. This is purely to know about the sign of the integers. Equal to dash. 2 questions. Yes. Okay. Shivesh, Ritika, Devaguru, Rahul Binay, very good. Yes, correct. Minus 1. Somebody is typing Devaguru minus 1. You are typing for this. Now fail. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Yes, correct. Kritika, Akshaya, Darshini, Jagan. Yes, super. Devaguru, what is minus 4? What is that? You have added all the numbers. This is multiplication symbol, boy. Cynthia Shri, I didn't get your activity, ma. You again take a photograph and post it. I didn't get. You were asking on that day, first day itself. You told that I have completed, ma'am. But yesterday also I checked the name. Your name is not there. Take a photograph, upload properly. Okay. If you have sent, it's okay. Good, fine. Yesterday posted, okay. Tomorrow last. That's all. It will be there, Alan. It will be there. After correction only I can say that. Now, finding the product. Minus 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3. First, let us see how many negatives are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last year also I taught this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 negative symbols are there. When the number is odd, when the negative symbol is odd number of times repeated, 5 is an odd number. Odd times repeated, definitely you will have a minus sign in the answer. Last year I told you this. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. It is an even. The negative number, the negative sign is repeated 4 times. 4 is an even number. So definitely the answer is positive. For that only I have given like this. First thing, if the negative symbol is repeated 5 times, odd number of times, it may be any time, 9, 11, 13, the negative sign again and again, if it appears odd number of times, answer will be negative. Even number of times, answer will be positive. Then we have to do the multiplication. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. However, you can multiply them. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. That is also okay. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 1. Whenever you multiply 1 1 1, don't write 1 2 3 4 4. We are not adding. We are multiplying. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. Like that. Important thing is about the sign of the answer. How we are getting. So these types of questions will come from this exercise. So whenever you will have a test, these things and all will come. Additive inverse, product, finding suitable arrangements and doing, properties, fill up the blanks, everything are more from this chapter for that reason. Yes, good, good. No need to type the entire question and all, Akshaya. Answer alone will type, that will do. Fill in the blank. First 3 fill in the blanks I am giving. Again, after erasing, after discussing the answer, we'll do the next. Dash. Carefully do. Dash divide -2. Divide -2 is equal to 22. 51. D1. 101 divides dash is equal to, I can give this dash, fill in the blanks to write in any of the places. First number, second number. Okay, 3 sums first, then remaining will do. Write this in your notebook. Which notebook you are using now for maths? Every day you use the same notebook. You use the same notebook for writing every day. I already told it in my first class itself. Whenever you sit for the maths class, have a notebook and a pen nearby you. You have to do what I am telling. When and where it is needed, like this revision time, where I give to work out something, you need to do that. Yes, many are giving the answer. I'm going through that. Yes. Now let us discuss about the first answer. Okay. Now for first thing alone, give me the answer. Now one will give for first sum, one for second sum, third sum. I will get confusion only. Only first sum. Yes. Super. Sai Raghav correct. Deva Guru correct. Yes. Taka. Now fill Alan correct. Correct. One by one only should. Pritika correct. If you one is typing one answer, another typing another answer, it's very difficult. Akshaya correct. Bavadarni okay. Correct. Alan correct. Yes. Darshini Jagan correct. Yes. When I ask no that time, up to that you do in your notebook and keep it. Nihal Ahmed correct. Zoyana correct. Yes. Avartana correct. Now listen. Ishwar Raja correct. Now listen. -32 divides -1. So you should do in your thing in the rough column like this. -32 divides -1. Minus cancel. 32 divides 1, 32. So plus 32 or 32 you can say. So it's correct. Now type for the second thing. Yes. Super. Sai Raghav correct. Ishwar Raja no. Deva Guru no. Bavadarni no. Sai Raghav only correct. Darshini no. Alan no. Akash Jan no. Bavitraj yes. Yes, Bavitraj. Again, no need to type once, do enough. Harish Kumran, yes. Nihal Ahmed, no. What answer you are getting? Type that. Nihal Ahmed's sign is wrong. Darshini Jagan, now you have typed Siddheshwar, type correctly. Pritika, correct. Yes. Deva Guru now have typed. Now listen. Now, some big number divides minus 2 is equal to 22. The answer is 22. So what does it mean? When we multiply this both, we will get this number. It is like, sometimes we say, no, dash divides 2 is equal to 4. Some big number, when we divide by 2, we get 4. What is the big number means? What to do? The answer is 4. So quotient and this 4 2s are 8. So big number 8, greater number. When we divide by 2, we will get the small one. Like that. In the same way, here some big number. Divide by 2. When we divide, we get answer 22. So 22 and 2, when I multiply this quotient and this, I must get the big number. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 44. Minus is there already. Here, but the answer I have given is positive. So what is the meaning? Minus and minus should get cancelled. And we must get positive. So the thing is minus 44. Now after that, to check whether it is correct or not. Minus 44 divides minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 1 2s are 2. 1 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 22. Yes, 22 given. So correct, our answer is correct. Since the answer is positive, we should select a number such that -1, this negative gets cancelled. And we will get a positive. Tricky one, you should know this. Wherever we want, we can give the fill in the blank. Now this one. Type for this. Yes, this is easy. 101 is here, 101 is here. So what is the meaning? We are dividing by the same, just 1 only. Any number divides 1. 5 by 1, 5. 3 by 1, 3. 101 by 1. 101 by 1 is 101. Okay, that's correct. Negative. So what do we mean here? Question is positive. This is positive. I want negative answer. So we should divide by -1. In order to get the answer, we should divide by minus. So 101 divides -1 is equal to -101. Question we cannot change. Fill in the blanks, we should change the sign. If negative is there, one of the numbers should bear a negative sign. Either this number or this number. Then only we'll get the answer negative. Here both negative cancelled, so positive. Here both negative cancelled, positive sign. Integer signs are very important. For that only we gave that activity. Since we have integers totally based on plus minus signs only. Which is greater, that number. When we divide, how it is. When we multiply, how it is. Like that it is. Okay, these types of fill in the blanks regarding properties, these, that and all will be coming for your test. So before the test, we will see some more revision problems. Anytime we will have cycle test, no? So before that, I will give a recap and again some more problems will be giving. Now this chapter over. Next class we will be starting with our next fractions 1. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any doubts? Who is showing something is same? Now no need to show anything. Just when you type, Nihal Ahmed, why are you showing the textbooks and Alma? Oh, you did and you are showing it seems. Okay. No need to show. You type the answer, no, that's enough. Joyana, Avartana, one will show, all will show. Alan, yes, good. Very good. When I ask only show. Okay, Timintaran good, Dashni Jagan good, all good. When I ask only, you show me. Okay. Thank you, sir.